Welcome back to Dollar Tree. We've got a whole space makeover coming up and everything, yes, everything is from the Dollar Tree or thrifted. Spring has sprung. I'm dressed for it and I can't wait. Today's video is brought to you in part by thredUP.
Dollar Tree has incredible faux lavender this year, and if you try nothing else from this video, I'm gonna make this $129 Balsam Hill wreath.
If we just kind of weave this together, this is gonna look elegant and super high-end.
This idea is foolproof. I don't even have to cut these down. I just attach them to the Dollar Tree wreath forms with zip ties, and then I trim off the excess. The draping florals gave this a bit more texture, and I did this wreath in less than 10 minutes. I can't wait to show you the full space makeover. I promise it's a wow. So many Dollar Tree and thrifty ideas in this video. Meet my assistant, Kathy. You may remember her from previous videos. These are the two spaces in her home we're working with, her entryway and her dining room. Between the Dollar Tree and the thrift store for less than $200, we're gonna get a new table for the entryway, beautiful custom art on the wall, and make this space feel inviting.
We're really gonna dive in here. I've got some cool ideas. Come here.
Up first, the dining room and an unconventional trick.
They brought these back. These are woven baskets and I love them. They had a $5 version and they brought these $3 versions back.
Wicker baskets are also so common at every thrift store and they're only a few dollars. So I want to combine different baskets from the Dollar Tree and thrift to make a DIY art installation.
I also really love these $1.25 baskets. This is gonna look really great right on the wall. Dollar Tree also sells nails, so I've gotta pick up some of those.
We're lying to say that like, however we put it down here is actually gonna be what happens. We don't do things like that. We don't plan.
We girl that. That's how we've done this whole thing.
We start with our inspiration and we work our way out.
I like it.
Small items together in mass, especially with beautiful quality texture, are going to look beautiful. So we nailed up some of these thrift store baskets. My store has them for just $3.99. Some Dollar Tree baskets as well as some placemats. It took us about 10 minutes, and stay tuned for the room reveal. Here's a sneak peek. I think it's my favorite of the video.
Let's talk table centerpiece. If you want a wow that will carry you all season long, there's 3 elements you need, and it's super simple. The first are vases in varying sizes. Dollar Tree has some new $3 versions, and they have smaller $1.25 versions. You also need some Dollar Tree pillar candles. You also need some Dollar Tree sand.
This idea is foolproof too. Similarly to the baskets, buying your hurricane vases in mass is going to make this elegant. I use half a bag per vase and then add a candle on top. This is great for any event, weddings, and just day-to-day too. Her dining room was really starting to come together. The Dollar Tree centerpiece, the thrifted art, but we had to get to the entryway. And I'm gonna take you to the thrift store to look at furniture.
This looks awesome.
I'll show you some of my favorite hacks you can find everywhere.
And you're not gonna wanna miss this thrifting hack. Today's video is brought to you in part by thredUP, the world's largest online thrift store. Not only do they have super unique ways for you to find pieces delivered right to your door, also they make it super easy to use and the prices are amazing.
Imagine all of your favorite name brands, Free People, Lululemon, Anthropologie, all in one place. Easy to find, you can shop by collections and even colors. It basically takes thrifting and makes it simple.
And I want to take you through some of my favorite pieces that if I were thrifting today, these are the things that I would find and thread up, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get them. Check this out. Always pick a staple floral. This is a Miami shirt. I paid less than $20 for it. Its estimated retail is $50. Up next is a staple pair of wide leg jeans. You can get tons on thredUP for less than 30 bucks. thredUP is the world's best way to thrift because you can sift by your size, even by the height of your jeans, so it makes it really easy to find things. And the next table I would recommend are Free People sweaters. Y'all, I love Free People. Every time I wear this sweater out, I get compliments on it. It cost me $20. It has an estimated retail of $92. And when it comes to quiet luxury, I also suggest a pair of wide leg black pants. I'm going to show you mine. And if you like them, put it into the AI tool on thredUP and find similar ones in your sizes. These are my favorite Abercrombie & Fitch pants. These retail for about $80 and I got them for 30 bucks. They are so comfortable and I love how I can dress this up and dress this down. Sometimes I wear this with a suit coat and a white t-shirt. I can also wear this with sneakers. I can wear it with a sweater, but I wear these pants all the time. They are so comfortable. They're just the right length and I love them.
Screenshot or take a photo of an image that you like, put it into thredUP, and it will, by AI, parse out the outfit into different pieces so you can find a similar style really fast.
If you're somebody who loves to save and loves thrifting, I'm going to put a link down below to ThredUp. And if this is your first order, use the code DIME for an additional 50% off. Plus free shipping. Please check it out and let me know what you find. Truly, I have been shopping at ThredUp for years and absolutely love it. Look for some of these staples, try out the AI tool, and let me know what you think. I'm made over. Let's keep making over this space.
Since we're making over the dining room, I spotted this and oh my gosh, these are so cute. They have these little salt and pepper shakers. These look very vintage to me. And look, they have a bunny and a carrot. I love this. This is such a great, sweet little touch of spring. Which one do you like? Let me know below. These are $1.25. That means they're like, what, 75 cents each? In the Easter section, there are a few natural, beautiful finds that I really like. These gift-shaped bags are really cool. I love these little bunny head bags, and these are all made of burlap, which is awesome. And they brought back all of the Easter baskets, which are really similar to the Pottery Barn style. I am all about simple, traditional decorating that's going to last you all season long, so you actually save. But there are so many options and ways to get creative.
Kathy thrifted this amazing silver tray for 99 cents. And then I combined it with this salt and pepper shaker, the greens we picked up from Goodwill for $1.99. And Dollar Tree sells these willow wreaths. They're made of wood and they're so beautiful and elegant on their own. And here's the thing, when you get a little creative, you think outside the box. A space like this we put together for about $5. In addition to the dining room, we were tackling the entryway. Now, this space was particularly hard to work with because it was very narrow and the door took up a lot of room, especially with the windows. But I knew she needed a drop zone to help anchor this space and also give her a place for extra storage, to be able to put her keys when she comes in the front door. And I knew the thrift store would be the perfect place to check. They have console tables in spades. And I have heard from many of you that your thrift store just kind of has a bunch of weird stuff. And I will say, I do find really interesting things at the thrift store, lots that I wasn't expecting. But when you take the time to sift a little, you can find some good items.
I'm in Goodwill right now, and I love shopping Goodwill for quality furniture. So I stumbled across this. It's literally labeled long table, and it's $29.99. And I think this would be perfect for Kathy's entryway. I really like the shape of it. I like the length of it, which I'm gonna girl math right now. Honestly, I feel like this could really, really work. This looks awesome. This Goodwill in particular is also known for their lamps. Oh, they have like, this is kind of fun. Oh, it's supposed to look like a like an old school candelabra kind of.
Combining thrift store pieces with the Dollar Tree pieces is where it's at. So we definitely brought home the console table. It was just $29.99. And to style on top of it, I decided to shop the Dollar Tree spring section as well as some thrifted finds. So these are 2 candlesticks and we got both of them for $1.99. I also thrifted a lamp for $6 and this was a piece that Kathy found. She surprised me with it. This is an old wine rack and she thrifted it for less than $6 and it's actually from Pottery Barn. It has the markings on the back. I knew that this would be the perfect anchor for over this space. And here's the thing, Goodwill has so many shelves. They have them in spades, and this is a great way to decorate on a budget.
Now, this is beautiful, but we're gonna get creative with it and use it with some Dollar Tree succulents. Now, who wants to try to keep plants alive? Kathy is not that person. I respect that because I'm sometimes not that person either. I love the Dollar Tree succulents. The ones that look a little bit dusty, like this one, tend to look the most real. If we combine this with some tongue depressors to give it some weight, we can put this in along with some moss. They have reindeer moss here, which is really cool. My friend, use the beautiful items you have around your house. Did you kill a plant? Do you still have the pot? You can use that to make something for you.
Dollar Tree reindeer moss is one of their most versatile home products. We stuck this inside of the wine rack and then we grabbed some Spanish moss. Kathy had this that was inside of a package that she had delivered to her. It was like the stuffing inside of it, but we just decided to hang it down out of the wine rack. And then we attached tongue depressors to the succulents. And this was just so they would slip inside the wine rack. Might be unconventional, but hey, it works. I also love Dollar Tree's candlesticks. These are very regal looking. I can't wait to show you.
The garden section is back and they brought back these little spray bottles. Now that I've been using this in my house, I can highly recommend it. They also have these LED little fairy lights, which could also be really pretty in a space.
Things were really starting to come together at Kathy's house. Her daughter was so excited to help.
Did you get a good picture? Let me see the picture. Oh, that's a good picture.
And before we show you the after, I want to share with you some other things that Dollar Tree has out right now that are just fabulous and brand new.
There's a few new Dollar Tree finds I have to show you, and the first are these plates. I love the spring plates. They have them in blue hydrangeas and also pink flowers. But my favorite thing is actually this. These glasses, $1.25 each, and they kind of have a pink tint to them. I love this. And keep your eyes peeled right now. They brought stacking decor back for Easter. They come in a pastel colored version and a white. This one is really pretty, but I decided to do the pastel version for my front porch. You can tie a bow on these for $5. This is a really good score.
Use what you've got. I took some florals from the Dollar Tree that I had in storage, and then I tied a bow onto the eggs as well. These look beautiful flanking my front door, and I love it for Easter.
I also really like these hair ties. This was right by the front of the store. They have super cute spring ones. This would be awesome in an Easter basket. Look how pretty these are. This is so fun. And I think I'm gonna try to make something to go with this shirt that I have. They have Craft Collective clay. This is all jewelry making stuff. So they have these cool little rainbow shapes. They have clay tools, which is awesome, and clay in really trending colors. I love this. I think my kids would love this too. And I really like the leaf versions down here. What is this? Oh, they have clay texture sheets too, so you can add really pretty texture to everything. Okay, I'm really excited about this. Oh, this is gonna be so fun.
In my next video, I'll show you the jewelry I make based on your votes. Do you like the white and the green with this shirt, or do you like the pink and purple? I literally can't decide. I think both would be so beautiful, so I'd love to hear your favorite combo below. And what you came for, this room makeover. Here's the entryway before and the dining room, just so you remember. The fact that we did this in just one day, I can't wait to show you how it turned out.
Welcome to Kathy's new home. I love how this space turned out, and her entryway we did for less than $45. On the wall, we put up this succulent display. Remember, this was a Pottery Barn piece that she thrifted for less than $7. We took this old succulent display and added some Dollar Tree greens and moss to the inside. We put some baskets down below for extra storage, and this lamp I thrifted and gifted to Kathy, and I got it for $6.99. But combined with this really pretty spring wreath, this entire entryway says welcome home. You really can do all of this on a small budget, and we did all of this in one day. I think my favorite spot of all is in the dining room. This turned out beautifully, and I love this centerpiece. It feels regal and elegant, but it was also super affordable, and she could use something like this all year. It has a beachy vibe, a spring vibe, but depending on what she puts around it, this could also be a winter vibe. This is my favorite piece on the back wall. We combined Dollar Tree baskets here with thrifted baskets and then a couple of placemats. And the key here is to work with this woven texture and then make this look like one big piece. On the opposite wall, I took some Dollar Tree wreaths and hung these up with a few nails too. We thrifted the little grass and the adorable salt and pepper shaker. Plus, we put that in a thrifted container. $35 thrifted art. I would love to hear your favorite part in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to check out ThredUp and use my code DIME at checkout for an additional
50% off your first order.
You deserve to feel great and to live in a space that makes you feel happy. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll see you soon.
I hope you find something today that makes you feel special. No matter how small it is, you are so loved.